What's up everyone? So on Facebook, as some of you or many of you may have seen, I posted a picture of the Block's Commodore 128 personal computer, and as I said in my comment, if I get in between 85 and 125 likes, I will make an unboxing video. So it seems like we kind of like got up there now, right? So let's jump into it. Got my hands on the computer about a week ago, probably, or so. Anyhow, let us check it out. I'm also a little bit excited over it. I want to check out some old school. My first Commodore, well, Amiga more like I said, was a Amiga 500, I believe it was, and then I got Amiga 600 later on, so never really had a Commodore 128 before. So there's a lot of old stuff in here. What I was told, the only cable that was missing is the one you plug to the television, and it should actually work, and there should also be a few games to it, but let us do the whatever unboxing thing. And this is the tape recorder, which you will use for starting up the software. Call me a noob, but I'm looking forward to it. So we have a bunch of manual, and here we got a book for the computer, so pretty much needs to go through that. I guess this one used to be white, so I probably need to clean that up. I wanted to have the original finish, so it will look better. Got this nicotine kind of color. So we got the book, and we got a bunch of manuals about the computer itself, introduction guide and so on. Looking forward to it. I can see the keyboard and the personal computer in the back of it, and another manual about it. Man, so much manuals, right? So back then you just need a bunch of guides to learn how to get it working. And here we got another Commodore 80s, I believe. I don't know exactly what this is. It looks like some kind of a 3D program. Like I said, I'm a little bit of a noob to all those instructions with the old series. The only thing I used to do when I was using my Amiga back then was pretty much playing games and all that, not really going into the software and all that. And here we got some other stuff, a huge floppy drive, which I do not see in the casing. Oh, it's just I believe it's just a thing, not really a floppy drive. And we got a new other casing here, which is Commodore 64, Commodore 128 carriage. Gonna need a scissor or so for this. Here we go. So we can get this up. To me, it actually looks like batteries. I have no clue what they do. So I guess a lot of you guys will tell me what the hell those things is. Oh, Turbo 2000. Awesome. And what is this? Commodore 64, so I guess it's software. I don't know. Maybe. Here we got the Commodore 64 user guide, which I will have a look at when I get the Commodore up and running. It's probably gonna be like Stone Age getting it up to run. Okay, let's go to the boxes of discs or tapes. What is this? Those are just two tapes without any title or whatever onto it. Like that here. And I'm gonna take this massive power supply, which we do have inside of modern cases now. I wonder how big this is and how much water to use. I also have this old man smell, like it had been started somewhere. How much is it on? Input 220, and I can't seem to find the output. Well, it doesn't really matter. Hopefully it's working. And we got the Master's computer, which also, in my belief, I think used to be white back then, but hey, look at that, it's actually the original form for it. That's awesome. That is really neat. Once the opening, here we go. And here we go, here we have a Commodore 128 personal computer. imagine back then. Could you guys imagine if our computers actually still was like that? I know you can get a case mod that was like an Amiga, so you still have some units with a, for example, i5 or i3 inside of it. But this is old school, and I can't wait to actually check it out. The only thing I was told that I should buy for it was the cable to the television to be able to get some input for it. And then we go with the reset and start up and start down. Can't wait to try it out. Is there some other... where's the HDMI cable? Just kidding. Here we go. I think there's a VGA output. Probably somewhere. Oh, video and SCAR stick. Okay. So yeah, that's that for now. Now I finally got the unboxing done, and I will also see if I can figure out a way to start it up, finding some cables for it. I think I do have the yellow one somewhere, which I do believe is for picture. So see you guys in the next one, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Take care.